Avalanche slide cost extremely equivalent to 14.1300 a coin in a sort of significant way. The current exchange cost range is 14,100 to 14.7200 or so. They thought the previous day's close was 14.7100 in a by and large significant way. The change was actually 0.5800, 3.94 contrary to prevalent belief. Backwards rate USD to Avax. Contrary to prevalent belief, in the coming month, it is anticipated that the value of avalanches will drop. Avalanche slide price forecast on Thursday, May 25, was 14.75 with a maximum of 15.78 for a lease of 13.72, or so they believed. Avalanche slide prediction for Friday, May 26 was 15.11 with a maximum of 16.17 and a minimum of 14.05. Avalanche collapse cost forecast on Monday, May 29 was 14.78 times the highest estimate. Avalanche slide figure on Tuesday, May 30 was 14.74 at its highest and 15.77 at its lowest, with a significance of at least 13.71, which is typically extremely significant over the course of a week. Avalanche slide price forecast for Wednesday, May 31 is 14.73 with a maximum of 15.76 and a minimum of 13.70, according to specialists. Thursday, June 1 Avalanche collapse cost 14.27 most extreme 15.27 in every practical sense and 13.27 in a manner of speaking. Avalanche slide cost estimate on Friday, June 2 was $14.52 with a maximum of $15.54 and a minimum of $13.50. Demonstrating how today's exchange cost range of $14.100 to $14.722 is very high. Avalanche slide cost estimate on Monday, June 5 was $14.34 with a maximum of $15.34 and a minimum of $13.34. Avalanche slide cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6. 14.40 with a maximum of 15.41 and a minimum of 13.39, and a genuinely significant distance and about 14 days. Estimated cost of Avalanche collapse on Wednesday, June 7 was $14.50 at its most extreme. 15.52 remarkably lease 13.49, which is actually essential. Forecasted Avalanche cost on Thursday, June 8 is 14.24. Which is the highest ever recorded. 15.24 on average, a minimum of 13.24 in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche slide forecast on Friday, June 9 was 14.46, the highest ever recorded. 15.47 especially at least 13.45, which is essentially enormous. Forecasted Avalanche slide cost on Monday, June 12 was 13.93, the highest ever recorded. 14.91 less than 12.95 in a kind of substantial form. Avalanche slide gauge on Tuesday, June 13 cost 14.11 with a maximum of 15.10 and a lease rate of 13.12 in 3 weeks. On Wednesday, June 14, an Avalanche cost forecast of $14.02 was fundamentally the highest. Exceptionally lease $15,000 13.04, or so they generally believed. Avalanche slide number on Thursday, June 15 was 13.16 on average, and 14.08 at its highest. 12.24 in an almost colossal manner. Avalanche collapse cost forecast on Friday, June 16 was $13.03, which was the highest ever recorded. 13.9 for all that matters, a minimum of 12.12, so the Avalanche slide cost forecast for Friday, June 16 is $13.03, maximum $13.94 by and large lease. 12.12 In a significant manner. Avalanche slide number on Monday, June 19 cost $12.45 beautiful $13.32 exquisitely rented 11.58 is fundamentally contrary to conventional wisdom. Predicted Avalanche slide cost on Tuesday, June 20 is approximately $12.80. 13.70 really minimum 11.90 indicating that the previous day's close was 14.7100, which is incredibly crucial and about a month away. Wednesday, June 21 Avalanche estimate was 12.59 gorgeous maximum 13.47 exceptionally least. 11.71 reveals in an additional intrusive fashion how Avalanche slide commonly costs equivalent to 14.1300 a coin. Expected Avalanche slide cost on Thursday, June 22 was $12.86, which is extreme. 13.76 by and large lease 11.96 therefore Avalanche slide estimate on Thursday, June 15 was 13.16 kind of highest. Avalanche slide speculation on Friday, June 23 was estimated to cost 13.01 with a high of 13.92 and a low of 12.10, which is a very significant USD to Avax exchange rate. Today's reach is extremely equivalent to 0.0708 coins per dollar in a discrete manner. 0.0679 to 0.0714 demonstrates the Avalanche slide cost expectation for Friday, June 2 was 14.52 15.54 lease to own dollar to Avalanche slide estimate on Thursday, May 25 cost 0.068 coins for the most part greatest 0.073 genuinely least 0.063 so in roughly a month's time the exchange cost ranged from 14.100 to 14.7200 in a fundamentally significant way over the past day as well as 0.0680, which represents a very significant change. Avalanche slide gauge on Wednesday, June 21 cost 12.59 by and large most extreme 13.47 in every way that really matters at least 11.71 sort of additional appearance how Avalanche slide value kind of equivalent to 14.1300 a coin which explicitly is genuinely critical USD. To Avax forecast on Friday, May 26 cost 0.066 coins genuinely most extreme 0.071 fundament at least 0.062 which essentially is genuinely huge dollar to Avalanche slide conjecture on Monday, May 29 costs 0.068 coins genuinely most extreme 0.073 exceptionally least 0.063 exceptionally further appearance how Avalanche slide cost fundamentally equivalent to 14.